Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to create a employee registration form by using the JSP, Servlet, Java and as well as MySQL as a backend. First, we are going to create a table inside the MySQL database. For the purpose, we are going to open the MySQL database. Here, name of the table is EMP. We need a 4 columns. Click create. Here the things is EMP name, it is a varchar data types, 45 is a length, and the attribute we are going to set it as a primary key. Click OK. And password varchar 20 and email ID, it is a varchar 45, phone number integer 15. See this table name EMP name, employee name not null, password not null, email not null, phone not null, primary key field, employee name we consider as a primary key field here. Click close and save. Now you can see this. This is our employee table. We create a employee table for us. Now we may open the Eclipse. Go to the new project. In this new projects, we are opening the dynamic web projects. Our project name is employee register. Click next, generate the web.xml deployment descriptor. It is essential file to work in our J2E application, so we need these things. Click finish. Now I close unwanted projects. I open the project here. Inside the web application, I want to create a JSP page. This JSP page register.jsp. Click next, finish. This is our JSP page. We want to add our path configuration. As usual, we go to the library, external jar. In this external jar, inside the Apache Tomcat library, we have a Servlet API. Add it. Similar like, we want to go to the build path, configure build path, and add another one external jar file. That one is our MySQL connector for connecting our database. I add the both. Right now I go to the property. In this property, dependency, add dependency. Here we have two things, Servlet and MySQL. Add it and apply, close. One more time, you may go to the property. Here, build path. You want to select all the files it's going to support to us. Add it. So this is our basic requirement of settings to run our JSP with Servlet file. Now let's go for the JSP coding. For the video purpose, I copy this code, but you want to prepare your code. Type your code, save it, and change the title here. It is a employee register. Now our JSP file is ready for access. Next, we want to create our Servlet file to obtain the input from our web application form, that is a JSP from JSP to our Servlet program we need to obtain. For the purpose, we want to create this kind of a Servlet page. That page name is a register.java. So inside the source, we want to create a source class main slash java. Here we want to create our package first. Our package name, you may create your own name. Myself, I create com.emp dot registration and click finish. Package is created. Right click over the package, choose the option Servlet. Here name of the class, we already know the name of the class is register.java. The same things I'm put it here. Click next. Mapping URL, we are using the same URL as a mapping URL. Click next. Here 2 post and 2 get method we needed, so I added these things. Click finish. This is our code. We are going to add the servlet only. So in this servlet we are adding the Jakarta servlet, so it is correct. Right now we want to write our code. Inside the 2 post method we want to use this code. Inside the 2 post we want to write this code. 2 post so this first 4 lines we are using to get parameter from JSP file to our Servlet Java file and store in local variable. We call another 2 different Java file. Here we are creating a member functions. That means object we are created and call the functions directly. And these things post collect the data from JSP and post to the Java bean. So we need to add annotations here. Our annotation is web servlet of register. This is our web servlet code. So now our file is ready. This is for the servlet file to obtain the data from JSP to inside the Java servlet we are using here. Next, we want to prepare our Java bean, that is a data transfer object file. We are using a bean concept here. So for the purpose, right click, go to the new options and create a class. The class name want to be this class name want to be 1 minute. Yes, create a member class. Right click. Here also we can create a member class. Click finish. This is our member class. Inside the member class, we want to type this line. We want to create our variables in the string data type, username, password, email and phone number. Select all this. Right click. Choose option source code. Here generate getter and setters. Select all. Click generate. Now One more time you may select it.